Hey drone friends, this is Adam at UAV Coach and Drone Pilot Ground School. Happy Friday and welcome to our Drone Weekly News Roundup. I have 3 stories to share with you this week. Our first story covers SkyPixel's 9th annual photo and video contest. Our next story talks about Drone Pilot Ground School's Black Friday sale. And finally, I list out features from the most recent DJI Inspire 3 firmware update. Also, here are some job listings in the drone industry this week for anyone interested. Wanderer is seeking a remote freelance videographer for their YouTube channel. Flying Lion Incorporated is in search of a first responder drone team in Wheaton, Maryland. VillaPic is looking for a freelance real estate videographer and photographer in Akron, Ohio. And Absolute Aluminum is currently hiring a photographer located in Venice, Florida. With that said, let's fly in. SkyPixel and DJI are calling all drone photographers and videographers to participate in their 9th annual photo and video contest. There will be a total of 79 awards, coming in at a total value of $200,000. Winners of the Best Work Award in the video category will take home an Inspire 3, while winners of the photo category will get a Hasselblad X2D 100C. The photo contest will include 4 categories: nature, architecture, portrait, and sports. The video contest will include 5 categories, which will be nature, city, travel, sports, and creative. Submissions will be open until February 2nd, 2024, with the winners being announced on March 19th, 2024. Our next story talks about Drone Pilot Ground School's Black Friday sale. We are offering a discount of $107 on all 3 packages until November 24th. For those who may be unfamiliar, the FAA mandates that all commercial drone operators must successfully complete the Part 107 knowledge test in order to make money with their drones in the US. The Part 107 exam is comprehensive, covering a wide array of topics including interpreting sectional charts, radio communication, and understanding weather and micrometeorology. To help pilots prepare for the test, we created Drone Pilot Ground School, an online test prep and training course to help you learn everything you need to know to pass the test. Feel confident passing the FAA Part 107 exam and get your drone license before the new year. Sign up using the link below. And finally, DJI just dropped a huge firmware update for their latest Inspire drone. So if you're a proud owner of an Inspire 3, make sure you update the firmware before you take flight next. Some notable features include added vision assist, added cruise control, added timed shot, and added standby at start point when using repeatable routes mode. To check out the rest of the features, click the link below. And before we wrap up, I wanted to let you all know that we received our votes for the Drone Fails Challenge, and we'll have a video compilation to reveal the winner next week. Thank you all for voting, and keep submitting your best drone fails below. All right, that's all we have for this week. As always, check out the links below to read more about each story. Also, show us some love by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. And now I'll pass it off to you. Are you going to submit any of your photos and videos in the SkyPixel and DJI contest? And do you have any questions regarding the Part 107 test? Comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I hope you all have a great weekend, and to all of our drone pilots out there, blue skies and safe flying.